Hello, boys and girls. The purpose of this lesson is to introduce Lesson 9 sight words. We will be having our test at the end of the week. There are 6 words that you have to know like the back of your hand. Just 6 words and you will make 100% on that part of the test. Our first word is read. Read. It has a long E sound. Begins with ends with d. Read. Read. What does this word say? Read. Read. Dad will read a book to us. Next word is write. This is a tricky word because the beginning letter is silent. You can't hear it. It's like it wasn't even there. And the I says it's long sound. It says it's name. This E that you'll learn about later, it looks for vowels and it makes them say their name. So tell me your name. I. Right. And of course he's silent because he's actually a bully. So this word says right. Right. Okay, so you read. What does this word say? Right. Right. They write stories to read in class. Oh, that must be fun. So they write them and then they read them to their classmates. Write. Okay, let's do the next one. This one says draw. So let's just look at this word for a minute. The AW makes the aw sound, like the one on the ostrich card. Sort of sounds like a short O, aw. Here we have an R blend. Okay, so D says duh and R says blend them together. This blend says dur. Draw. Draw. Let's read it on the card. What does this say? Sorry, what does it say? Draw. Draw. They all like to draw pictures. Okay, so now we get to read this word. This word it's a little word, but it's tricky because the A says like the umbrella card, and the A says z like the zebra card. So it's like if you sounded it out normally, it would say was, was, but it doesn't say was, it says was. And it's a sight word. Sight words are like that. They don't sound out. You'll just have to practice. This says was. So let's read it on the card. What does this say? Was. What does this one say? Was. This animal book was very funny. Oh my goodness. He looks like he's having a good old time because it was funny. Was. All right, let's put this one away and let's do this big, giant 8-letter word. This is the longest word so far that you've had to be accountable for in first grade. You have to know how to read this word on Friday. It says pictures. Pictures. And here's the card. Let's see. What does this word say? Pictures. He is looking for some pictures of lions. Pictures. A lot of things going on there. I think if you get this much right, you'll just know what the word is. Pick, and then it's churs. I don't know why that T makes the ch sound, but it just does. Pictures. Okay. Last word is after. Thank goodness this one's phonetic. After. After. Actually, this is an R controlled E, and it really doesn't make a sound. After, after. Let's read it on the card. What does it say? After. They will go to sleep after the story. Oh, that looks like a good family picture where the mom is reading them a book before they go to bed. She does that after. Oh, they do that after the story. After. All right, let's just read the big cards one more time, all right? So there's after, pictures, was, draw, read, and write. Okay. Practice, practice, practice them. Toodaloo.